front of the camera hanging out with you guys. How are you? I hope you guys are doing well. It is time to take down the Halloween decorations because you guys know this is my favorite season. I love this part of the year so much. And can I just acknowledge the fact that Halloween can be very moody and dark and don't get me wrong, the vibey moments, I love them. However, I love that the holidays can come right afterwards and just brighten everything up, make everything so much more magical. And I think that's why I love the lighting, the joy, everything, the flavors, everything that comes with the holiday season. So I'm excited to take down all of the spooky things. I have opinions on the bats. I'm not gonna lie. Does anybody recognize the fact that there are very few bats left on the wall? Look at the camera, or look at back here. Do you remember how many more bats there were? So many of them fell down. So we need to clean everything up. Also too, we've been working on the house a little bit this weekend and you can see the lights are a little warmer. I'm hoping they're not too warm. They're adjustable. So these are canless lights. Let me see if I can't show you. So all of these lights are kind of canless lights. So you can see like here, all of the recessed lighting, they're called canless lights. So actually when they die, and they kind of lose their light, you know, like when you have to replace a light bulb, you actually replace the whole thing, which sounds like a lot, and it is definitely more than changing a light bulb, but it does make things so much brighter. And the lighting like this, I think actually looks great, but I hope this doesn't get too warm, but it is adjustable. It has like 5 or 6 different settings. I picked this one because it was like a sterile hospital before. And then also too, I'm gonna bring you guys outside and show you the new coach lights, the new outdoor lights that we got for outside because they made a big difference. But I definitely want to get cleaning up today. I want to pack everything up. And you guys, the next video, it's gonna be so good. We kind of touched on it a little bit before. If you know, put the matching emoji, but he said yes. So if you know what I mean by that, what's coming to the house or what's here that I need to show you guys, put the emoji of it down below in the comment box. I'm curious if you guys know what I'm talking about. I'm not trying to be vague. You'll see it in the next video, but it's really exciting. But I'm very excited to get everything down. All of the black, the cobwebs, the dark, the spooky, all the things. I'm ready for it to go, but I'm so happy to be here. I know we were gonna do a lot of this in November, but I couldn't wait. I missed you guys already way too much. It's just time. And you guys, this thing right here, let me show you. This, when I come out here and this hat is all dark at night, it literally, I swear it's a person. So this hat has got to go because it scares me every day. I will take you outside and show you guys the coach lights because they turned out so good. Look at how pretty they are. I think I have some B-roll of them from like the little guys that were on there before. I don't want to take a full step back because it's been raining and everything's all wet behind me, but don't they look so much better? I just feel like they're so good. And then also too, we did them over by the garage on the other side of the house, but I could not wait to show you. And then also too, another day we're going to be going ahead cleaning everything up here again. The friends are here. And also too, if you have plants that don't do as well, take them outside on a rainy day if you're still in a warm climate. That's why this plant does so well, is because for one, it loves the humidity, but also two, the rainwater is like so nutrients. Like it's so good for plants. I'm just so excited. You guys have no idea. Let's go ahead and turn on a movie. Let's get the totes out. Let's get everything cleaned up and start getting all the twinkling lights. I'm so excited.
This time of the year, I can't stop asking why I'm struggling to stay. It's a mystery why I'm here. I guess I'm just too tired of fighting. Would you say? Ooh, as we're growing older, darling, understand it all. It's like this never end. We have to try and keep the mood up. Stay. I know that sometimes we pretend to love each other like we used to, but it's all good in the end. 'Cause as we're growing older, darling, our love is growing stronger. 'Cause it's me that I'm fighting, now that I see what is hiding underneath my skin. And I'm always sorry to bring you with my fall. Yeah, it's me that I'm fighting, now that I see what is hiding underneath my skin. And I'm always sorry to bring you with my fall. Oh, with my fall.
Okay, so I think it's going well. I mean, my house is empty, which I love this part, and that's the same thing with like post-Christmas. I like the detoxifying emptiness of the house. I am warm though. I am overheating. I am so warm. I don't know what is going on with me. I think it's my excitement and my stress because of these bats. I don't know if I will ever do the bats again because it leaves a film on the walls. And then let me show you the window. That's the backing on the bat. And it on the walls, it's coming off actually a lot easier than it is on the window. I brought my hairdryer out to try and like heat it up. I'm gonna try that on the window, see if it works better. A Lysol wipe is taking it off. I don't wanna do like goof off or anything because that's an oil. I don't wanna leave oil marks on the wall. If you guys have a better way of doing this, but like, to be 100% honest, I'm even upset that I linked these because like I'm not happy, but I don't like when things are damaging or they cause this much. I didn't realize it was gonna be this much because no one ever says these things. So you guys always know you're gonna get the realness from me. And then also too, now that I can like disassemble the rest of the fireplace, I can finally charge the lights on the light bulbs for my sconces because those have been dead the entire spooky season and I couldn't get them out without dismantling all of the cobwebs. So I wanted to have them lit, but I forgot to charge them. It just is what it is. So I'm gonna finish cleaning this up. I'm thinking this is going well. I mean, she is an empty gal, but I think a fresh cleaning and everything, which might have to be in a whole nother video because this has already been a lot. Because yeah, we have to do some deep cleaning. god, I love this movie so much. It's one of those movies that I can literally just have on in the background and it just makes me smile. Like, I just love all the little funny little things. I've seen it so many times where I'm watching it in my memories and I know what's happening for every scene. Do you guys have that with your movies? Okay, the bats were horrible. Horrible. I ended up having to take goof off all down the wall, which I feel like I can kind of see a trail. Am I seeing that? I'm gonna be so mad. I'm gonna be so mad. There is a little bit of like shine on the wall, so I feel like I could clean it a little bit, which is like a magic eraser or something. I don't know. I hope it does not leave a mark, because the thing with oil that I don't like is that it will leave a residue, which is really easy for like dog hair, lint, debris, all of that to attract to. And we have a big mess, a big mess. Also too, let me take you into the gym. Okay, so this is what we have left over. I kind of could turn on a light here. I kind of didn't have enough totes. So we have all of this left over on here. So this is like bedding, soft things, and then all of this, and then some packing things. The bag method I do feel is gonna work really, really well. So that's why I kind of put everything that I need to wrap up, I put up top there, and then everything else, I'll be hanging like the wreath and that on the wall today, excuse me. But I need to essentially put all this stuff back, see a sweet dog, and I need to pull all of this out. So before I do that, I'm actually going to set this stuff back in there, and then I'm going to vacuum and do a deep clean before I start tearing any more up. The only room that I'm not really gonna be able to clean is the gym, but I'll do that after. And also too, it's about lunchtime, so I could use like a little break, a little step away from the madness, put away the hair dryer, keep out some of the cleaning stuff, kind of like get rid of the bats and just kind of a fresh start. I know this was a silly little video, but I kind of wanted to just get started on filming again, get back into the holiday season, hopefully motivate you to declutter, clean up. If you haven't put your Halloween things away, I'm sure you guys have by now. But yeah, and just to a little detox from life, a little out of reality, no nothing, no nonsense of all the things that are going on in the world. It just gets to be a lot. So that's why I love hanging out with you guys here, because it does tend to be a very positive space. You guys are always like my cheerleaders, my besties. You guys all go and cheer me on and are so sweet to me all the time. So I'm so thankful for that. So, but yeah, I just wanted to just have a quick little thing. We're gonna probably do a couple videos back to back here. I'll do a deep clean with you guys next, and then the goods are coming inside. And they're going right here. I'm so excited. So that's gonna be the next couple videos, is like pulling out Christmas, setting up some trees, kind of enjoying a pre-season, like pre-gaming of the holidays too, before we like ramp up into December. So I'm so excited. I'm so excited to just be hanging out with you guys. But if you guys enjoyed the video, do me a favor and give it a big thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Hit that subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.